Oh, that's getting heavy. Come on. Hey guys, I'm gonna go see if my tree fort's still standing. I think it is. I also gotta lower the ladder because it's kind of a death trap. Onwards into the darkness. See it. See. Oh way. Everything's still up. Even that. That weighs like 400 pounds. What? So this is what I'm here to lower. This 400-pound stairwell. Just hinged right there. Yeah, pulley up there. Yeah, someone else has touched this because I had it tied around to that with a nail. But now it's tied around that. Okay. Let's lower this. Come on. Ooh. See, that is very heavy. Oh, that might be a problem. Oh, that's getting heavy. Come on. Oh, there you go. Nice. And then you tie that off. Use that as a railing, a little rope to hold on to when you go up. Hey. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna go now, tree fort. Be careful with yourself. Yeah. On other terms, look. Someone's been helping me. They brought this pipe up here. It was like a mile in that direction, so yeah, thanks whoever did that. Anyways, good luck, tree fort. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.